you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between XTB or Robinhood. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better. I will tell you which platform fits you the best. And I wrote down 5 topics and I will tell you on today's video the differences between those 5 topics. So let's start right here with XTB. The main focus, that is topic 1, on XTB is CFD and stock investing. The main focus on Robinhood is commission-free investing and that Robinhood is a trading app. If we look right here to XTB, XTB is the best for active traders and CFD users, and Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and casual traders. If we look to the trading tools, XTB has a advanced charting, CFDs, stocks and ETFs, and Robinhood has a stocks, ETFs, options and basic crypto trading tools. If we look to the interface, XTB is trader focused and streamlined, and Robinhood is extremely simple and beginner friendly. So when you have zero experience with trading, I recommend you to use Robinhood more. And if you have a little bit more experience, I recommend you to use XTB because they have a little bit more options to go further in the tools. So if you look after that to the fees and trading costs, XTB has stock ETF trades often with zero commission within limits, so keep that in mind. And the CFDs use spreads plus overnight fees. That is how XTB earn their money. If you look to Robinhood, Robinhood is a commission-free trading, but be careful. Costs can come from spreads and payment for order flow execution pricing. So they are telling you that it's free, but they put the costs in the spread, so keep that in mind. So if I can give you a quick summary which platform will fit you the best, I will tell you this, because choose XTB if you want an advanced charting, CFD trading capabilities and commission-free stock and ETF investing within limits. And use Robinhood if you want a very simple app for commission-free stocks, ETFs, options and basic crypto trading with an easy beginner experience. But again, be careful, it's not commission-free. They use spreads for their commissions. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.